auto alarm specialist.
Okay, this is the new Re-design 3305X two-way paging remote. They redesigned this remote. They also made this a little more slicker. They changed a little bit of the buttons around. So anyway, to show you how it works, this is on a Toyota Corolla. I'm going to go ahead and arm the system by hitting lock. It locks your doors. Disarm it. It unlocks all the doors. Comes with a blue little light. Okay. If anybody tries to bust out the keyhole or open any of the doors, the alarm will fire off. I'm going to illustrate that. It gives you the little hammer here in the corner, right here in the center, that the alarm was triggered by shock sensor. If, of course, if somebody opens the door using the key, the alarm will fire off, and I'm going to show you guys that the car won't start. Okay. Car doesn't start, has to start a kill, and then you can start the vehicle. Okay, that's the start a kill. This antenna right here at the top gives you the range of a length of a football field or whatnot that you can arm and disarm it and get the alerts in your remote control. It's programmed not to arm by itself, but you could program it to arm by itself if those folks that don't remember to set the alarm after you close the door in 30 seconds, it will automatically arm. Of course, it gives you the spare remote control. This one will not page you, but you know, it's a secondary. It's always good in case you leave the car at the mechanic. You don't want to leave them the good one because you don't know if they're going to scratch it or bust out the screen or whatnot. So you let them, you give them this remote. You know, it's harder to mess this one up. Not that this one is fragile or anything, but you don't want anybody tossing this on top of their toolbox and messing up their remote. This alarm has a lifetime warranty. It flashes your lights when it fires off. We decided to hook it up to the horn. It sounds more factory, and there's one less drilling in the firewall to go out. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida, the new 3305 by Clifford, by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And the batteries are AAA. They're user-friendly to change. It tells you right here the level of what's left on the battery. And that's pretty much it. It's got panic button. You can fire the alarm on. If you hold this little star, you can fire the panic. And then if the car has an electric trunk, you can hook up the auxiliary button and it will pop the trunk by remote control.